Oh, do you hear
Brother
Costco?
crying, sometimes you have to share a cell with somebody in jail. That's what happens, Donald.
Yes, had a chicken arrested then. Where's the chicken arrested?
I don't know, has the chicken been arrested?
He stole some apples.
Oh no.
Is it just about Jojo? What do you say to it?
And did he have the pet settled into their
Yes.
new house?
Yes, they have, because I told you it says, as well.
Yes, the pets are great. My bunny is so cute, fluffy bunny. What do you call your squirrel, Fauna? I don't know what to call my squirrel.
That's what the chicken says, Chigger.
Where's the chicken? He's been arrested. My poor chicken.
Let's talk to this guy.
Yes, he has been arrested because... Why has he been
He
arrested?
stole some apples.
He stole some apples. But they're back now. Yes, they had to get them off him before he ate them all. He was trying to eat them all. That is not allowed. Oh no. He was trying to eat them all. That's crazy.
Oh, here, give a chicken off him a warming. Here, go to let him off his time. Okay? Here, go to let him off his time.
Yes. He's got one more chance.
Go to it again. He's in jail for how long?
For
Make him say it.
2 weeks.
2 weeks. What do you say, chat?
Cluck, cluck, cluck. But the chicken doesn't understand about jail and things. The chicken doesn't know he's done wrong. He's only a pet. Like
Did you
my
say
little
right
bunny
What do you
and
say
the
right
squirrel.
Pen? What do you have to say?
Yes, it seems that way. That he's just not a human or a grown-up. Like you're grown-up, Tigger, Fauna and Isabel. But the chicken is not. He's just a little chick. But he's just a big chick. He's a little chick, but he's very big. But he's not even gone into a duckling yet. Has he?
Has he? Do us two apples again, okay?
Cluck, cluck, cluck. I think he's learned his lesson. Hey! He's got an apple! He's got an apple!
Chase him, Jojo.
Let go of the apple! Put it down! Chick! Put it down! Thank you.
That's the cooked apple.
Oh, dear me.
I got it. I like his place.
I think there's meant to be. Are these meant to go on the top here somehow? They're meant to go like that. And then just put that on a sec. Oh yeah, and then get this off a bit easier. Want to open it up? Why not?
Yeah.
What a lovely little place. And these can go out for the garden.
What a beautiful place.
What a lovely little house.
Do you like it?
Yes, I think it's great.
Maybe the chicken is chocolate apple, what do we say?
We rescued the apple.
Yeah, here's a chicken going to get a big tool now. Here's a chicken with a big tool. Oh, but what do you think?
No, we got his back off him, so I think he's learnt his lesson, I think.
Yeah.
I'm sure he won't
Well, I
do it
chose
again.
us to see inside. Is there well? Do you like it here?
Wow, it's lovely.
Harbour.
Yes.
And a tiger.
Do the pets like it? I'm sure the pets like it.
Sure. Yeah. Who could do? Pets do like it, don't you?
Yes. Chick! The chick's got an apple again!
Where's old
Get it
elf?
off
Chase
him!
after
Where's
him.
old elf? What? Give it back! Now!
Oh, what?
Or I'll give you guts for garters.
Call police. Make a police.
The police?
Call police. Go away.
Ring,
It's a go
ring.
Make a say go to my home. Make it a go say.
Ring.
Make-
Borrow my phone. Ring, ring. Ring, ring. Policeman Tigger, is that you? Yes, of course. You need to come and get this apple off this chick. It's got the apple again.
Again?
Oh, not again. Oh, okay, I'm on my way. Give back the apple, chick. Put it down. Hey! You've knocked the wise old elf over.
What does it
Oh,
say?
don't do that to me.
You have to arrest him because he's attacked somebody. You have to arrest him now.
Arrest him, he's attacked somebody.
Here's to get your alcohol off him, don't you?
Yes, of course.
Get it off him then.
Let's get it off him. Don't do it again, silly chick.
Don't do it again, silly chick. Okay.
Cluck, 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 cluck. Cluck, cluck, cluck. He's clucking away now.
Are you going to arrest him? Or what?
Not unless he does it again. Ah! He's done it again! And he's knocked me over.
It's like, well, you'll come for police, like,
Ring,
October.
ring. Police! He's done it again, my chick. He's gone the rampage. I'm sure of it. Thank you. Bye.
As I do say
Again?
to go harbour.
Where is this apple? Give the apple back, you chick. Right, you're going to jail.
Who does it say chat?
Cluck, cluck, cluck. He's only trying to get some food, is it? Yes, he knows you're not allowed apples.
That's,
He's got his
that's
own
what I
special
have.
chicken feed.
Yeah. Hey. He could hide it, could he? He says he could have hided it.
Well, you've got to wait for us to give it to him. We're in control of his chicken feed.
Oh yeah?
Yes, of course.
Are you okay, my old Joe? Are you okay as you hurt you?
Oh, I'm okay.
Yeah. You okay, old cheer?
Yes,
That's
of
good.
course.
Should we go home now?
Yes, let's go home.
Her chicken's in jail for 2 weeks, isn't
Yes.
she?
That chicken, we're not going to see chicken for 2 weeks.
Not gonna see you for 2 weeks. Good news, I him could let him off again.
Has it been 2 weeks?
Mo says his sister Mary Mo. I think I was to help it, camera.
No, they
Sister
can't help it.
animal.
It's an animal. Like a
It could-
wild animal.
I think we just let him off.
Yes.
This is a harsh to a chicken because chickens do more at one with you.
Oh no, chickens don't know right from wrong.
Yeah, got Donald Duck does.
Yes, Donald Duck does, because he's a fully grown duck. He should know better.
Yeah, so he says the Jojo chicken is 8 weeks.
Yes.
Who could just say chicken was off, call it to it.
Oh yes, let the chicken off.
Yeah. It's off his hoot. His sister was chicken was Joe, was a che. His sister was chicken was Joe, was a che, was old owl.
Oh yes.
Do you who sister was chicken was Joe, is a well? Do you who so?
Yes.
Yes.